Have you ever walked into a luxury home and instantly felt a sense of calm? That serene, effortless vibe isn't accidental. It's all about the colors. Welcome to QS Tube, where we explore the design secrets that make spaces feel truly elevated. Today we're diving deep into how high-end interiors use color to create harmony, comfort, and that unmistakable luxury feel. Color isn't just about picking a favorite hue. It's a language. Expensive homes speak it fluently. Every wall trim and accent is carefully curated to influence how you feel the moment you step inside. Neutral palettes dominate, but not the boring beige you might imagine. Think warm grays, soft taupes, muted greens, and creamy whites. These tones aren't just trendy, they create a visual breathing room. In a way, color acts like a gentle exhale. It softens the edges of furniture, frames, and fixtures, allowing each element to feel part of a whole rather than fighting for attention. That's why when you see a well-designed luxury living room, your eyes don't dart from one thing to another. They glide smoothly across the space. It's fascinating how layering works in these spaces. High-end homes rarely rely on a single shade. Instead, designers build depth by combining related tones. A warm ivory wall paired with a soft sandstone trim, a hint of muted gold in the hardware, and pale grays in upholstery creates a sophisticated gradient. These subtle shifts make rooms feel alive without ever being loud or overwhelming. The goal is to make the eye rest comfortably, and when the eye rests, the mind follows. That's the psychology of calm interiors. Contrast is another tool used wisely. It's tempting to fill luxury homes with all neutral colors, but without contrast, a room can feel flat. Designers introduce muted pops, like a moss green armchair against beige walls or a charcoal rug on a pale oak floor. The trick is restraint. These accents are intentional and calculated, so they punctuate the space rather than distract from it. That's what separates a designer home from one that simply looks expensive on paper. Color in these spaces always has a purpose, guiding the eye, emphasizing architectural features, and setting emotional tone. Texture works hand in hand with color. Expensive homes don't just rely on paint, they layer surfaces to create depth and comfort. Matte walls paired with satinwood trims, linen curtains, and plush rugs all speak a quiet, coordinated color language. Even subtle metallics like brushed brass or muted nickel complement neutrals in a way that elevates them. When all of these elements exist within a unified palette, the effect is almost meditative. Your surroundings feel rich but never cluttered, curated but never forced. Lighting plays a huge role in how these colors are perceived. Natural light softens and warms neutral tones, while carefully placed artificial lighting can enhance mood and highlight key areas. Think wall sconces that cast a soft glow on taupe walls, or pendant lights that bring out the warmth in a caramel leather sofa. Expensive homes are designed with light in mind, ensuring the color palette shines differently throughout the day. This dynamic interaction keeps rooms from feeling static or cold. One of the most impactful strategies is the use of accent walls, but done in a subtle way. In luxury interiors, accent walls aren't bold, screaming colors. They're refined, muted shades slightly deeper or lighter than the surrounding walls. A soft slate in a study, a muted blush in a bedroom, or a pale sage in a living area can create focus points that guide your attention naturally. These accent walls subtly reinforce the room's mood without overpowering it. Even ceilings can be part of the color story, with off-white or cream tones extending the vertical space and making rooms feel airy and open. Art and decor are where personality meets palette. In high-end homes, every piece is selected not just for its beauty, but for its color resonance. Oversized paintings or sculptures often echo the room's main tones, creating a cohesive flow. Black and white photography adds sophistication without competing with the muted walls, while a single vibrant abstract can energize a corner. The key is balance. Art punctuates, it doesn't dominate. This principle applies across wall decor, gallery walls, framed textiles, or even mounted plants are chosen for how they interact with the existing color scheme. Luxury homes are rarely chaotic. They tell a story through coordinated shades and thoughtfully curated pieces. Texture-heavy wall elements are making a comeback in modern luxury homes. Woven tapestries, macrame wall hangings, and fabric panels add tactile warmth while subtly amplifying color depth. Even removable wall art or matte-finished murals are designed to harmonize with the primary palette. These layers prevent rooms from feeling sterile, giving them soul and personality while maintaining that serene, expensive vibe. Functional decor often doubles as color strategy. Mirrors, for example, aren't just reflective surfaces. They bounce light onto neutral walls, making them glow and feel larger. Floating shelves in subtle tones extend color continuity while providing space for books, plants, and curated objects. Even practical items like wall-mounted planters or mounted bicycles are integrated into the palette. Nothing feels out of place because every color choice has intention behind it. That's the hallmark of high-end design. No element exists randomly. Each contributes to calm, cohesion, and visual delight. Color is also pivotal in transitional spaces. Hallways, entryways, and staircases in expensive homes often feature muted walls with slightly darker trim or patterned flooring. This guides movement subtly, drawing you from one area to the next without breaking the calm rhythm. Luxury interiors feel effortless because these transitions are orchestrated with the same deliberate color choices that govern the main rooms. Even the smallest details matter. Hardware finishes, light switch plates, and door frames are rarely stark white. Instead, they often match or complement the overall palette. This continuity avoids visual interruptions, reinforcing a smooth, restful experience. The cumulative effect of these subtle color decisions is remarkable. Each wall corner and detail reinforces a unified language that communicates calm, sophistication, and thoughtfulness. Psychology plays a role too. Soft neutrals are inherently soothing. They reduce mental clutter and invite relaxation. Our brains respond positively to harmonized shades because they mirror nature's own calming rhythms. The muted grays of stone, the soft tans of sand, the gentle greens of foliage. When interior color palettes align with these natural cues, spaces feel more peaceful, more inviting, and ultimately more luxurious. It's worth noting how high-end homeowners approach bolder hues. Colors like deep navy charcoal or forest green appear sparingly as anchors. A navy kitchen island, a charcoal accent wall, or a moss green chair adds depth without overwhelming. Paired with soft neutrals and warm textures, these statement pieces command attention while preserving the home's overall tranquility. Even when contrast is present, the color story remains cohesive. What's fascinating is that color also dictates furniture choices. In luxury interiors, furnishings often follow the wall palette, creating a seamless integration. A light gray sofa against creamy walls feels intentional. A muted beige rug complements oak floors while blending into the soft undertones of surrounding decor. This interconnected approach ensures that every surface, fabric, and accessory supports the calm, curated ambience. There's an invisible choreography happening here. Every shade and material is in dialogue. And here's a tip for those looking to emulate this luxury vibe. Start with the walls. Painting, wallpapering, or even using textured plaster in a muted, harmonized palette sets the stage for the entire home. Once the foundation is established, furniture, art, lighting, and accessories naturally follow, making decorating decisions feel effortless. High-end homes achieve calm because they build from this foundational color strategy. Everything else is simply an extension of the mood set by the walls. Of course, the beauty of this approach is its adaptability. Whether your home is modern, traditional, coastal, or minimalist, a considered color palette can elevate the space. The key is restraint, layering, and coherence. Avoid jarring contrasts unless they serve a purpose. And think of each hue as a note in a symphony. When combined correctly, The result is harmony. As you walk through your own home, consider the impact of color on your experience. Could a soft sage wall make mornings feel calmer? Might a warm taupe accent bring serenity to your living room? Could subtle variations in texture and shade enhance your sense of comfort? Luxury homes feel calm not because of expensive furniture or extravagant decor, but because of the strategic, thoughtful way color is used to orchestrate every aspect of your living environment. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If you're inspired by these insights and want more expert tips on creating calm, elevated interiors, subscribe to QSTube. Share your thoughts below. What colors make your home feel most serene? Have you tried layering neutrals or incorporating muted accents in your own space? I'd love to hear how you're using color to transform your home. To summarize, expensive homes achieve their signature calm through a combination of deliberate color choices, subtle contrasts, layered textures, and integrated decor. Every wall fabric and fixture is part of a broader palette strategy designed to harmonize the environment. The result is effortless sophistication that feels relaxing, balanced, and undeniably luxurious. And the best part? You don't need a massive budget to borrow these principles. With careful attention to tone, contrast, and texture, any home can exude that same sense of calm, control, and elegance. Next time you step into a space, take a moment to observe the colors. Notice how they guide your mood, your focus, and even your breathing. That's the invisible power of design at work. Remember, in luxury interiors, calm isn't an accident. It's carefully curated, one subtle shade at a time.